Lovely people, Coupon Crystal here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We've got a Walmart Ibotta haul. I'm so excited about it because I went to my brother's house and got my coupons. Yes, I did. Went to my brother's house and got my coupons, and I've got 2 inserts. I'm going to do an insert preview for you guys for this coming Sunday, the 13th. Yes. So I used some of them coupons tonight. So let's jump into this haul. Now, before we start this video, we must shout out Thrifty Mommy. Yes, my coupon friend, Thrifty Mommy, she has a YouTube channel. I've seen her post in her community section talking about this degree deal we're about to talk about. So I want to shout her out. I know we've got some new coupon crew members. And if you guys have not checked out Thrifty Mommy's channel, go show her some love and tell her Coupon Crystal sent you. Okay? All right, let's jump into this deal. Now, the first thing is the Degree Body Wash. I know we've gotten this several times before, but it got a little sweeter because of Shopkick. Yes, $5.47 for the Degree Body Wash, huge bottle. And there is a $2 coupons.com printable coupon that I used. Also, I think it's still on the coupons.com app, all right? I like to use the printables because I don't want to pay in store that much, okay? Now, the next thing I would have to say is if you are not participating with Shopkick, make sure you do that. You can always use my referral code, okay? I would appreciate that. Sign up to Shopkick. The way the Shopkick works, you scan the item in store. You're going to make sure that it qualifies for your deal, okay? And then you're going to do what it tells you to do, which is buy this, and if you turn around and buy the soap, it's going to be a bonus giving you additional points. We turn around and redeem those points for gift cards to buy more coupon stuff. Yes, $5.47 for this $2 coupon. $3.47 is what I had to pay in store. It gave me 25 scan kicks in the store, but additional kicks, and we'll get to that in just a minute. Now, I decided to also use the Ibotta rebate because it did give me back $2 from Ibotta, which is making this a really, really good deal, dropping it down to $1.47 after Ibotta. Now, the Degree soap, which I'm excited about this. This is Degree Maximum Recovery, and this is the massage bar. Of course, it's the tart cherry. So this was actually priced $4.97 in my store. Thrifty Mommy's, I believe hers was $4.47. So just be mindful of the numbers. $4.97 for me. I had a $2 coupon from coupons.com, making it be $2.97 is what I had to pay in store. $1.50 coming back from Ibotta, dropping it to $1.47. But let's talk about what we got back from Shopkick, honey. We scanned in store, and it gave us bonus kicks for buying the 2 items, okay? For a total of 1,000 points together, which is the equivalent of $4, which makes for an amazing deal, making this actually be both of these free and $1.59 money maker, okay? I think that's a really good deal, actually. I'm like, Now, let's move on to the next deal. Yes. We got Suave hand soap, okay? The Suave hand soaps were priced $1.97 each, 2 of them for $3.94. Now, I had a $1 off of 2 coupon out of the Super Saver insert for this coming Sunday. Like I said, get my coupons early. That dropped my cost in store to $2.94. There's 2 25-cent Ibotta rebates coming back times 2, giving me back 50 cents, making the final cost $2.44 for the 2 Suave hand soaps. This is the pink grapefruit. In my store, the pink grapefruit is $1.97 and the other scents are $2. Next rebate I decided to get was this. This is what I was most excited about, okay? Is the Dove hand soap or hand wash, all right? Now, these were priced $3.97 each. I purchased 2, making it be $7.94. But guess what I got in that Super Saver insert? A buy one and get one free insert coupon. Yes, honey. So use that buy one, get one free coupon, making the cost in store be $3.97 for the two. Then I got back $1 from Ibotta for each one, making the final cost $1.97 for the two. That is great. Where can you get that deal? Now, let me tell you about that coupon. That coupon beeped and said it was invalid. And I think the reason why it did that is possibly because it's for Sunday and Crystal was using it early. Don't tell nobody. Okay? So let's take a peek at the coupon and let's just make sure, because, you know, Crystal didn't have her reader zone in the store. So, you know, we need to make sure that we got the right thing. Now, you know what? It says buy one, get one free. Buy any one Dove hand wash product, get a Dove hand wash product free. It's a picture of this foaming one. This is like the squatty bottle. It's like a, you know, like a foaming one. Yeah. Look, it's on the picture. As a matter of fact, it's the eucalyptus one is on the picture, the little green one. So I do believe it's just because I used it early, but that's okay. That's all right. She pushed it through. That's all that matters, right? All right. Moving on. I decided to get the Palmolive again. I sure did. $2.48 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon. I got back $1 from my Ibotta, making the final cost $1.48. Yeah. Next. Now, let me say this. You put this in a bundle, put it in like a coupon bundle, you're going to make somebody feel like, you know, they're getting something because it's a box. Next rebate, I decided to get this little baby Suave. Look how little it is. Little baby Suave hand sanitizer, $1.47, no coupon. But I got 25 cents back from my Ibotta, making the final cost $1.22. Now, I got this because I had already previously purchased the hand soap, you know, in another haul. So me purchasing this did make me get a Suave bonus. All right, so that was great. The next thing was the Snuggle dryer sheets. Yes, shout out to my friend, Lisa. Thank you, girl. Lisa sent me all them Snuggle coupons. Thank you very much. Now, the Snuggle was priced $3.97. However, it did not ring up for that price, but it was on the shelf for that price. So you take a picture, okay? And you take it up there and get them the price. Override that thing because it's not your fault. They ain't up on their prices, all right? So I paid $3.97. I got that coupon for $1.50 off, dropping the cost in store to $2.47. Then I got $1.50 back from Ibotta, making the final cost 97 cents. You better do it. But that was a good deal right there. Thank you, Lisa. Next thing, I went to the clearance. You know I got to do the clearance. I got to check out the clearance. Let me tell you what I found. I found me a 75-cent Duncan Hines chocolate cake, and it looks really good, okay? And, of course, the date is not gone, honey. The date is not gone. It don't go bad to 2023. So I'm going to make this, and I'm probably going to do a video because I do a little extra to my cake, and I want y'all to see it, okay? The next thing I got from the clearance was these red, white, and blue cookies and cream Hershey candy bars. $1.50. Ooh, you better do it. And the date ain't gone on these neither, okay? You gotta check that food out. Because I don't know why they put that food on clearance. But I was like, red, white, and blue. That's interesting. But they candy bars. You know, you can make s'mores and all kinds of things with these. But $1.50, I think that's a good deal. I was like, heck, I can make something with it. I also seen in the clearance, the hand and hand soap was on clearance for $1.79. That's pretty good because, you know, that's a pricey soap. And the Neutrogena face wipes. Okay, now, this is the thing. They were on the shelf for one price. But then when you scan them with the app, they were a whole nother price. There is a coupons.com coupon, plus there is an Ibotta rebate. So if you like that product, that may be an offer that you will consider buying. Now, my thing is, if you find the price difference in your store, make sure that you take your picture up there so you can get them to, you know, price override it if it's different price on the shelf in your favor. Yes, so let's get into the numbers. Total of everything was $30.24. I had $10.47 in coupons. That made me have to pay $19.77 in store. I got back $8.85 in rebates from Ibotta. I got the 50-cent bonus for doing the Suave hand soap and the hand sanitizer. Then I got back $4 from Shopkick, already got that. And for scanning my 2 receipts to fetch, I got back 208 points, which was the equivalent of about 20 cents, okay? Not too shabby, not too shabby. So, final cost was $6.22 for the number of items I got. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items, including the Snuggle, for a grand total of 69 cents each, honey. That is an amazing deal. That's a good deal. Now, of course, I'm not including this extra stuff that I bought because, you know, I don't feel that needs to be included in the total because that was clearance and it's not an Ibotta rebate. So what's the point? But I do believe I got some great deals, and the Super Saver insert is what helped me do that. So I've got to share that in a separate video for you guys. All right. So if you got any questions, let me know in the comments below of the video. Of course, as always, there will be a Google document below with all the deals. All right. The deals, the tea, the deals, the stuff you want to go get. Y'all know I start getting sleepy and silly this time of night. All right. So that's it, guys. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.